Hey, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make banger music video intros. Let's get straight into it.
Bro, yeah, one for the losing. So pull up your path for choosing now. Pull up your eyes, no snoozing, bro. Don't do dinner and shooting. Mom says son, don't follow that nuisance. So what shame is
This is a certified hood classic.
They said, bro, yeah, one for the losing. So pull up your path for choosing now. Pull up your eyes, no snoozing, bro. Don't do dinner and shooting. Mom says son, don't follow that nuisance. So what shame is
What I'm about to show you is a really easy and small trick that you can use to kind of hook the viewers in. These will mostly apply on a drill music video. So find the hook for this song. It will be somewhere around here.
They said, bro, yeah, one for the losing. So pull up your path for choosing now. Pull up your eyes, no snoozing, bro. Don't do dinner and
Okay,
shooting.
so that's the hook. So what you're gonna do is cut.
They said,
So I'll cut somewhere here, cut tool, and then cut this other place. Then hold Alt and then duplicate that section. Just rejoin these areas, make some space and bring this part over here. We let the hook play for around 10 seconds.
they said, bro, yeah, one for the losing. So pull up your path for choosing now. Pull up your eyes, no snoozing, bro. Don't do dinner and shooting. Mom says son, don't follow that nuisance. So what shame is the same that
So somewhere around here, I'll go to my effects and add a low pass. Drag the low pass into your audio. Right at cutoff, you need to add this keyframe so you can hear that the sound is muted. Okay, so push that keyframe a few frames away, then increase this value so the song will kinda. I'll bring this second keyframe closer and then just play it back.
Don't do dinner and shooting. Mom says son, don't follow that nuisance. So what shame is the same that fusing. Made some change, I've got influence.
Okay, so right about here we can cut the rest, and then you can also hold Alt and add a default transition here so that the audio also dies. Okay, on my project bin I have some audio files. So these are some audio shutdown effects, some scrubs, some broken tapes. Okay, so we have, and I'm going for this audio shutdown look. Okay, I can put it over here, right down. I'll use the former keyframes as a guide. So right about here is where we want our audio to the sound to come in, and this. All right, as the audio dies down, just kill the video. I'll trim the video somewhere around here. So as the audio dies down around here, we can bring some money counting effects. So something like this. Okay, or you can also bring some gun sounds. So I'll have these shared below. I think I want these automatic. Yeah, bring that on. It's all about sound design and there is no one way of doing this. Before I bring in the gun effects, I think I'll add some small camera flash sounds, but I'll push in my main audio first over here and then put the camera flash effect. You could cook it in any way. And then I can also add a small keyframe for the audios here for this main audio. Yeah, so that once it starts, we can now bring in some gun effects. And then I think you've heard of these sounds.
This is a certified hood classic.
Okay, so I'll also add it over somewhere here.
This is a certified hood classic.
Okay, just hit shift D so that it also has these audio constant powers. And then I want to add a little bit of some DJ sounds that I also got from YouTube. So there are many of them that you can experiment with, but I'll bring in this one with the trumpets, or what do we call it? So
This is a certified hood classic.
yeah, Then right during this gap, I think you can also add some VHS static overlays. So I have a couple of them over here. I think I prefer this other one. I can place it right on top over here, right when the audio is kind of dying down. So I'll scale it to frame size.
This is a certified hood classic.
So really this is what it
They
would
say,
look
bro,
like.
yeah, one for the losing. So pull up your path for choosing now. Pull up your eyes, no snoozing, bro. Don't do dinner, they're shooting. Mum says, son, don't follow that nuisance. So what a shame. It's
This is a certified hood classic.
Yeah,
They say, bro, yeah, one for the losing. So pull up your path for choosing now. Pull up your eyes, no snoozing, bro.
Don't
Don't
do
do
dinner,
dinner, they're shooting.
shooting.
Mum says, son, don't follow that nuisance. So what a
I
shame.
think you get the point. Those are some of the techniques that you can combine and use to hook the viewer and kind of get them interested in the video. There is no one particular way of doing this. Just try combining different sounds and see what you can get. I'll also link down whatever I've used in this tutorial. I hope you did enjoy this segment, and if you did, just give the video a like or subscribe if you're new to the channel. I have loads and loads of content that you could learn from. My name is Danny James. See you guys on the next tutorial. Peace out.